This is Carlos Cousins, and the following SAT writing question is asking for the best expression here to include in this sentence. So let's go ahead and figure this out. The sentence begins with in fact. In fact means that this is going to be evidence for the subject of the previous sentence. The previous sentence was talking about the fact that recent military intelligence sources indicated killer robots are not so distant in the in the near. This is a strange wording here, but that they're not so far away in the future. They're about to be actually a reality. So since it says, okay, as evidence of that, a former U.S. Air Force chief scientist has stated that technology currently exists. It's already possible for killer robots to be a thing, to facilitate fully autonomous military strikes, strikes that are autonomous. That means that they can be carried out, they can carry themselves out, that there's not going to be anybody sort of leading them from far away. They're autonomous. They don't need anything other than what they've already got in and of themselves. And research is underway by several countries to create robots that can be deployed in the battlefield and operate fully inclusive of human control interference. Well, that's strange. So if we're talking about autonomous military strikes and the robots being a part of that, it wouldn't make sense if they're inclusive of human control or interference. They probably don't want human control interference if they're going to be autonomous and free to act without the control of somebody else, right? So inclusive of doesn't actually make sense. Same thing here with in sync with, and especially with concordantly with. Concordantly with means that that it's going to go according to human control, which wouldn't necessarily be autonomous, but also according with interference. You don't want the robots to be designed to operate with some sort of interference, whatever that means. They'd be less likely to do their job correctly. So independent of means that these are going to be autonomous, like the military strikes. So that is the best answer choice for that reason. I hope that helps with this problem, and happy prepping.